Namaste. Hi, and welcome to the third day of our pranayama course. First, we want to repeat what we've learned in the previous days. So again, find your comfortable seat and begin with a few rounds of the yogic breath. That means to first inhale fully into the belly, then expand the rib cage, then suck the air all the way up to your shoulders, then release from the shoulders, from the rib cage, from the belly. Please repeat this for a couple of rounds. Stay with your breath. Take full and complete inhalations and exhalations. Now, we want to practice a few rounds of Nadi Shodhana, so please bring your left hand in Jin or Jan Mudra. That means join the thumb and the index finger and rest it on your left knee. Then bring your right hand in Prana Mudra, so bring your index and middle finger into the palm. So you can close the right nostril with the thumb and the left nostril with the ring finger. And then please follow the instructions. Close the right nostril and inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Release your right hand, rest it on the knee. Watch your natural breath for a moment. Now I want to introduce today's new pranayama, which is Kapalabhati, which is actually declared as a Shatkama, so as a cleansing exercise. But it is also used in the pranayama family because it is a breathing exercise and it uses the pranic energy. And it is meant to cleanse the frontal space. So Kapalabhati translates to something like shining skull, and by forceful exhalations we consume a lot of prana, and the prana will sort of accumulate in the frontal space, in the forehead. This is why we can feel a tingling sensation sometimes in the forehead, and it is meant as a shat karma, as a cleansing exercise for the frontal space. And we proceed as follow. We focus on forceful exhalations through the nose. So it looks like the inhalation happens passively, and just try that once. So sit comfortable and upright and just try a few forceful exhalations through the nose and inhale passively, automatically through the nose. Try it in your own rhythm. And please notice the movement of the belly. Naturally, for the most people, it happens correctly that with the forceful exhale, we pull the abdominal muscles in. So with the exhale, the belly contracts. Check yourself. For the most people, it happens naturally. Sometimes we have to make the neuromuscular connection to do it that way. So check once more that with the exhale, the belly contracts. And there is a lot of variety in rhythm. Some people do it very fast, some people do it very slow. I personally instruct do it the way it feels right to you. And the intensity should be in a way that your facial muscles stay relaxed. When you start to tense your shoulders, neck and your face with the strong exhalations, that means you do it too strongly. So make sure your body and your face can stay relaxed while doing the exhalations. Let's practice one round together for about 1 minute. So sit upright and take a deep inhalation, a full exhalation. One more time. Deep inhale, complete exhale. Then inhale halfway and begin. And slow down and come back to a natural breath and observe what your breath is doing right now. Is there anything extraordinary that you can perceive in your pattern of breath now? Do you feel any sensations in the body? Let's practice one more round together, and again, after we complete the round, be very aware what happens to your natural breathing pattern. So inhale deeply, exhale completely. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale completely. And inhale halfway and begin. Slow down and come to an end. And watch your breath. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you feel good, you feel energized after the Kapalabhati. And I'll see you tomorrow for the next day in our pranayama course. So far, I think the Nadi Shodhana and the Kapalabhati are still quite familiar to a lot of people who already have done some asana practice, but in the coming days we'll explore some more pranic exercises that will help us to extend the life force within us. Namaste.